Imagine you're creating an app, and everything is finished. You've tested the back end multiple times, the design looks amazing, and usability testing shows the smooth experience that you were going for. Now, there's only one question. How do you actually make sure users find and download your app from the App Store? For that, let's take a look at App Store optimization. Hi, my name is Josh, and welcome to UXtweak's channel. Today, we're looking at a few tips on how to apply your UX skills to App Store optimization, also known as ASO. I'm going to explain what ASO is, why it's important, and how you can master it. I'll also be sharing a great tool that you can use for ASO, so stay tuned until the end of this video. So, what is ASO? ASO stands for App Store Optimization. This is the process of improving the page of your application in app stores. In many cases, this page is the first impression people have of your app. So when I say App Store, I'm talking about the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store, the most common places for people to download apps. How your app ranks on these app stores determines how many people will see it. And just like websites with SEO, there are many factors that determines your ranking. The tough part is that iOS and Google prioritize different things. So let's go over all of the elements involved with these two app stores. These are all the elements that make up your app listing on iOS. The first 5 are the most important, meaning they are considered more significant when it comes to your ranking in the store. Now let's see how this compares to the Google Play Store. You can see that Google has fewer elements involved in their app listing. For ranking, they also prioritize relevance, user experience, and the quality of the app. On both app stores, your listing needs to stand out. Think of a product display in a department store. It's designed to get your attention. That's exactly how you should lay out your app listing. So, how do you apply your UX expertise to your ASO efforts? The first tip is to test how your app screenshots look in the App Store. You can either go portrait or landscape with your screenshots. Both have pros and cons. Portrait screenshots show more content, but more images will preview all at once, so it can be overwhelming. Landscape screenshots can be more impactful because it's typically one image taking up more of the user's screen, but it doesn't give a true sense of what the app looks like while using it on a mobile device. So this is where A/B testing comes in. Design different versions and see which one of the designs leads to a better ranking. There are tons of A/B testing tools online to help you do that. Another element you should test is your icon. Your icon is the symbol that represents your app and is the first thing people will notice when they see your listing on the App Store. There are several things to consider when it comes to the design of your icon. What color works best? Is it recognizable? Is it legible? And most importantly, is it an accurate representation of your app? We recommend asking your end users what they think of your icon designs. Ask them to describe what they feel when they see your icon, what it reminds them of, and what emotions it evokes. Then analyze their feedback and see if it aligns with your values and goals. You can easily do that with UXtweak's Preference Test tool. Preference Test is a tool that allows you to determine which design options work best for your users. You can test and compare multiple designs, ask the participants about their deciding factors, and learn more about their perspectives. It works very simple. You create a study asking participants to vote for the preferred option. To get more information on why they chose a certain item, you also add questions. You can ask why they like it more, what they like about it, and how it makes them feel. With preference testing, you can test both text, images, and video, so it's a perfect tool for deciding which elements to use for your App Store listing. You can use it to test which app description works best, as well as what icons and screenshots users like more. As your app is going through design and development changes, your App Store listing should be changing too. You have to update screenshots, descriptions, and add to the What's New section when you release a new improved version of the app. It's common to update your App Store listing multiple times a month in order to maintain sufficient ratings. I hope these ASO tips help you get noticed in the App Store and lead to increased downloads. If you want to learn more about our Preference Test tool, click on the annotation in the upper left corner. For more info about our research tools, visit UXtweak.com or create a free account on UXtweak and start testing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. Thanks for watching.